What are the disadvantages to eating organic foods? Are you interested in making the switch to organic foods? If you are, you may want to first verify that you are making the right decision. You likely already know the many benefits to eating organic foods, as these benefits are often prominently displayed and advertised. With that being said, we rarely hear the disadvantages to eating organic foods. One of the few disadvantages to eating organic foods is the cost. Do you know how much most organic foods cost? If not, you may first want to examine those costs before you make the decision to switch to organic foods. There's nothing worse than being blindsided or surprised with the cost of organic foods. After a close look, you will see that organic foods do cost a little bit more money, but that increase in cost can add up over time. Although the cost of organic food may turn you and other hopeful eaters away, it is also important to know that there are multiple ways in which you can go about saving money. For example, you can search for organic food sales at your local natural food stores or supermarkets. You stock up when you see those sales or choose to shop at a store that is known for their everyday low prices on organic foods. Organic food coupons can also be used. These coupons can be found online with a standard internet search in many stores as well as in weekend newspapers. In addition to costs, another disadvantage to eating organically is a limited selection of products that some individuals are faced with. Luckily, not everyone is faced with this organic food eating disadvantage. Oftentimes, those who live in small cities and towns find it the hardest to buy organic foods. With that being said, it doesn't matter whether you live in a small town or a huge city. There are still a number of different ways that you can go about buying organic foods. A great way to buy organic foods if you live in a small town is by going directly to the source, organic farmers. This is a great way to get your organic fruits and vegetables, as many small towns now have organic farmers. You can also search for specialty organic food stores by using online business directories, your local phone book, or by asking those that you know for recommendations. The internet can also be used to shop online. As previously stated, you can shop online to buy organic foods, but it is also important to know that there are a number of cons or downsides to doing so. This is mostly due in part to the requirements of shopping online. For example, a computer and internet connection is required to shop online. Many online shoppers also